California love, it don't matter where you from. We chillin' with the fam until the day is done.
Rise up in the morning in the sunlight. First things first, hit the booth and get my mind right. Hit the brody up and come bless her with some nice honey. Hit the block hot as we
Great Master and my son Callan, say hi. Yeah, it's the first time out here at Lake Morena, getting ready to get a fish on, man. Wish us luck. Back. Oh. Oh yeah, baby. Fish on, sucker. Yeah. It's a fighter. Yeah, baby. Hold on, Cal. It's a big one. You can't do this. Yeah, sucker. Yeah. Woo. It's a nice one. Look at this. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Oh, weak sauce. Oh, he's got another one. Dang. This one can get ripped off too. Uh-oh, what's it at? What's it at? I think it's a halibut, man. Oh yeah. Nice. Yeah. Get him, baby. Man, fish are biting to my left, to my right. What happened to mine? It's a nice one. Ah. Lucky. Yeah, watch out, Callan. Bông bà nè. Watch out for catfish. Look. Whoa, yeah, baby. Woo-hoo-hoo. When can I get one? Oh, yeah. At least you got one. Fish on, baby. About time, sucker. Yeah, Callan. Daddy got one. Yeah, sucker. About time. Yeah. It's a beast. Hey, bring the gaff, guys. Give me the gaff. Give me the gaff. One really didn't hurry up. Here. Oh, really? Go, go. Go, 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 go. Go, hurry up. It's going to come off, you little brat. Go. Oh. Oh, you did it. Whoa, hurry up. Go, go. You did it. Right, come on. Oh, it's a beast. Woohoo. Look at that. It's a 10-pounder, baby. Get over here, boy. Yeah. Uh-oh. You're swimming in. Carp? Look like it. Sure is. It's a nice carp. Move, Cal. Move, move, move. Walk it up, walk it up. Your ball, this way. Yeah, it's a carp. Walk it up. Fish on. It's a nice one. Oh, hold on. Fish on, baby. Get him, get him. It's that 5-pounder you lost. Hold on, Cal. Hold on, okay? Why? See, look, Uncle David has a fish. Go. Say, good job, Uncle David. Mama. Yeah, look, where's the fish at? Let's go. Let's go. Look. It's a nice one. It's a nice one.
Oh, yeah.
It's an albino one. Oh, yeah. Got your line. Walk it up, walk it up. It's a nice one. Oh, yeah. Oh, fish on, baby. This one's a nice one. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, told you it was getting hit. Oh, I gotta keep cranking before it gets stuck. Fish on, baby. Whoa, come here, daddy, little punk. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. This is what we're talking about right here. This is the biggest one yet. Yeah. Whoa, at least the ones I caught. Come here, come here. Ooh, come on, Callan. Come look at daddy's fish. Whoa, this was a fighter. Whoa. Yeah. What you doing, Callan? A lot of fun, ma. Oh, that's cute. Wow. What are you doing, Callan?
Hey, let that ride out real quick. Yeah, that sounds good right there. Okay. I had to do this one, you know. It's one of them feel good ones, you know. See, lately all I'm doing is chilling in the studio, write another hit, and fire the hooker up. I'm trying to go in, so hear me as I sing.